Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the transfer case rear housing seal for the rear drive shaft on this thing. Huh?
You like the pry bar?
Yeah. Oh, please don't get on me. Yeah, give me a pry bar. Kind of a tire thing. Yeah, sure. That's fine. Please don't splash me. Okay, nothing fell out. That means it's not leaking anymore. Alright, so we're going to replace this seal because it's leaking. So as you can see, you got to get this ring right here off.
I'll have it in shot. There you go.
You got to get this ring right here off. It'll pull the whole seal off. Right in the fluid. Hand me the new one. It's on the bench over there.
Where's the new
one? They might have given me the wrong one.
They probably give you the one that's on the transmission side.
I don't think this is. I think O'Reilly's gave me the wrong one.
Yeah, they definitely give you the one that goes on the transmission.
Well, we're going to go to the store because they screwed up, and we'll be back. Take this back to O'Reilly's.
Back to O'Reilly's.
Back to O'Reilly's. Like and subscribe.
Back to O'Reilly's.
Like and subscribe. Where'd you put the box at, Alan? I even saved the receipt.
Always save the receipt and always check your parts. You'll be going back to O'Reilly's. Back to O'Reilly's.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
They're gonna like and subscribe just because how many times we said it.
Exactly. They might even shop it. Back at O'Reilly's. Back at O'Reilly's.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Should we go tell Leslie?
Back over for a little break time.
Getting out of here?
Yeah.
Well, break time, huh?
Alright, man.
I gotta get put it
Get them put on there. They damn sure look a lot better than those do. We put them up next to his truck. It looked pretty good on the white truck.
Nice.
Oh, did you? Did you show him the picture?
Yeah, show me the picture. Let's go look at the picture.
Let's look at the picture.
Right before we go back to O'Reilly's.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that?
Oh, showing you the curve to the earth. I thought we'd do it all up this year, so.
Sweet.
We'll just wait till the day after Thanksgiving.
That's what I was
Turn
gonna
it
say.
on.
Here's your jewel.
Over in there.
What?
Here's my straws. How you gonna leave this nasty shit in my truck?
Back to O'Reilly.
Back to O'Reilly. That's new.
Is it?
Yeah, it wasn't there the other day. See, Alan. This truck looks a lot better with those rims on them.
Yeah.
Like with them sitting next to it.
I sometimes mistake it for a city truck.
Do you?
No. They do have the same though.
Where the road? Up to the road. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's nice and toasty in here. Oh, yeah. Lots of Jeeps. Oh, look, that one's on our channel. Them guys all the time.
Back to O'Reilly's.
Heading back from O'Reilly's.
Back from O'Reilly's.
Alright guys, we're back from O'Reilly's with Back from O'Reilly's, the right seal. And we're gonna just tap this thing in, and I recommend if you have one, use a rubber mallet. And then again, alright, and now we will put the rear drive shaft back in. Okay, so at this point with our new seal, we're going to get this lined up, slide it on, and try one more tooth over. May have to roll the truck a little bit. Alright, then you just put your clips back on.
As they send Mike Walker way behind the quarterback, Anthony Brown. 52 seconds left. Brown will take the snap and
Alright, rear drive shaft's reinstalled, and we have a new seal in the tail housing of the transfer case. If this video was helpful at all, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
No, I ain't gotta wear pants 2 sizes too big with some Baby Nate shoes. Talk about my crib to drive the girls wild, make them hop inside my jacked up ride. Sitting on 35. My speakers go boom, by the way